Okay, world, I hope you can hear this video, and I hope you can also see it. So this is about a package unit, like a 7 or 8 ton carrier. Here it is right here. Made 37th week of 08. This is 2018, so 10-year-old unit. 48 HJD 008. So I think this has got 2 3.5 tons in it, so it's really about 7 tons. 2 3.5 ton compressors in it. An old R22 or R22. I did that repair video on fixing the hot gas leak on it. Anyways, this video is about how you can check the split, the temperature split, pretty easily without drilling holes in the doors. Here's your return, and here's your supply. So here's your return door and your supply door down there. So all you do is take out a screw and take out a screw here instead of drilling a hole or poking a hole or whatever. And as you can see, it's in there. And you go up to a meter, and I got a 45.9 degree. Let's see if I can do that. 46, 47. Okay. So anyways, so you just stick it in there, and then you can stick it in the return. And when you stick it through the return here, here's where you change the filters, and you can see my thermocouple sticking out right here. Okay? So there she is, right in the return path. So pretty cool spot. So we got a 22 degree split on this thing right now, so should be running tight. Very nice. So like 46. I had a 68 or something return a minute ago or something, so we got plus or minus 2 degrees of accuracy or whatever. So, hopefully you can see this. Yeah, so we got 70, 46, 56, 66. Yeah, so like carrier, I always see like 25 degree splits. It's normal. Especially with the ductwork so small on this thing. Way too small a ductwork on this unit for the size of the unit this is. It's like got a 24 by 30 on it, and like a 20-inch return duct for this 7-ton unit. Ridiculous. Anyways, so we got a pretty good split. 46, 56, 66. So we got a 24 degree split, which is what this unit always has. So it's fine. It's good. I just thought I'd show you guys how you can check TDs really easy on this type of unit. Alright, thanks for watching. Click like in the video and subscribe. Take care. Bye. Whew. These filters are dirty little bastards. Whew. This thing always gets hammered. Put them in 411 of 17. This is 5/4 of 18. The day before Cinco de Mayo. So May 4th, 18. We've been in there a year and a month. They're pretty plugged. Pretty plugged, that's for sure. They're always dirty bastards. Oh, this coil could use a little bit of a cleaning too. Not terrible, but looks like tar and nicotine, some of the yellow shit on there. We don't have tar and nicotine anymore though. The guy smokes those nicotine things. That's probably what it is. we got some freshies in here. Nice. Freshies. It's bright on this roof, so sorry guys. It's really bright out here. May 4th. Hot day out here today. Finally, summer's here. Thanks for watching, guys, and click like on the video if you could, and subscribe. Alright, take care. Bye. And here's just a couple pictures of the unit. Just a little end roll here. Alright, thanks for watching.